Today we're going to show you how to turn on or turn off a droplet inside of DigitalOcean. So when you log into your account for DigitalOcean, on the left-hand side you will see your projects. You want to go ahead and click on the project that's going to be associated with the droplet that you want to turn on or turn off. And you will go ahead and see that there is no mark here. So you'll see a green light if it is on. Right here you'll see that the droplet is off. So when you want to go ahead and turn it on, you will go ahead and click on it. And then in the right hand side, you will see the toggle switch. So you can either turn it on or you can turn it off. So you just click it. It will go ahead and boot up your droplet instance, and then it will tell you whether it is off or on. So right now it's on, and you can toggle it to go ahead and turn it off. And then you can go ahead and refresh your screen, and then your droplet will then be working. Hopefully this was helpful on how to turn on and off DigitalOcean droplets. If it was, smack that thumbs up and let me know down below in the comments that it worked. Thanks for watching the Passive Cash Stacker. We'll see you on the next one.